Baiso Balilihan ROTC Unit Training Staff. Baiso Balilihan Commandant Baiso Balilihan ROTC Unit Captain Juniel V. Gilbolingo, Infantry, Philippine Army. Assistant Commandant Second Lieutenant Eduardo L. Magnanao, Philippine Army Reserve. Admin NCO Julito T. Toledo, Philippine Army Infantry. Admin NCO Private Julito T. Toledo, Infantry, Philippine Army. Training NCO Private Noe O. Magbanwa, Infantry, Philippine Army. Tactical NCO Sergeant Arnel T. Bukil, Philippine Army Reserve. Sergeant Roseller James S. Iludar, Philippine Army Reserve. GMA Private First Class Aaron Jos G. Canin, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Franklin D. Lanyosa, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Earl Patrick A. Clarinan, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Jomar A. Humangit, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Leonard R. Duysabas, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Precious Diane M. Quijada, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Giselle Joy L. Arguanon, Philippine Army Reserve. Private First Class Philip C. Sales, Philippine Army Reserve.